12 selfless individuals have been shortlisted for this year's V Awards, which honors those who provide a volunteer service for the betterment of society.
Tonight we feature Mohammad Seekandaran, who is one such individual.
V Awards 2013.
Sacrificing his career and spare time to provide a yeoman's social service, Mohammad Seekandaran works tirelessly to conserve the environment. A resident of Valavatta, Seekandaran recycles waste materials and also introduces eco-friendly plantation methods that are devoid of chemical components. Not stopping there, Seekandaran shares his knowledge and renders his support for the physical and mental development of children through childcare centers and preschool projects. Mohammad Seekandaran, who generously gives his time and effort, setting aside caste and creed, is not only an example to the youth in his hometown, but also to the entire nation.